All right, so Makers Central is tomorrow, and apparently all these creators are making these little coin things to give away while they're there. Now, I'm all for jumping on bandwagons when they appear, so I've got some leftover OSB, which I think it'll make some nice coins, won't it? Let's get going. Peanut butter jar lid. Yeah, that's quite a big coin. We're going to go for a machine wax pot lid thing. This seemed like a great idea at first, but my lord, my hands absolutely kill. What a stupid idea this was. I lie, I'm actually quite looking forward to trolling the haters with this. Every time someone mentions their dislike for OSB at Makers Central, I'm just going to frisbee one of these at the I'm not going to do that. Disclaimer, if you get one of these from me at Makers Central, do not throw it at the haters' faces, please. Right, there we go. Very quick video this Saturday. I do apologise for that. It's a bit of a last minute rush to get these all together before Makers Central, which by the time this video will be posted, will be today. So if you're going there, I look forward to meeting you. And those of you that aren't, sorry about that. I don't know where I was going with that, to be honest. I've really got to get going. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like video. Don't forget to press the like video. Wow. This stuff's really going to me. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.